welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I was making French toast and I just decided to make a YouTube video. So I already made one, and then the idea popped into my head. This looks nice. I'm gonna eat this. Obviously, I already made it. So I already heated the stove and stuff. And yes, I am being supervised because. So I made a mixture of, this looks pretty gross, egg and whatchamacallit, and wait, we didn't have any cinnamon, so that I just put aromats, and I put sugar to replace the cinnamon. I don't know how that's gonna turn out because I'm no master chef or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Do you guys know that oil can burn? I did it. I seriously didn't know that oil can burn. Don't come at me because I just didn't know. It's just one of those things I didn't know. But then, I mean, everything burns. Except water. Water doesn't really burn. It boils. And it puts out fires. So, you'd be amazed how some of the best meals ever start out gross. Isn't that just annoying? Imagine if someone was coming to you and and showed you this hey, do you want some of this? I'm like, what's that? Oh, it's just egg on the bread. And I would say myself. Because this looks gross. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. It's happening. Oh no, I made a dent in it. Am I not the master chef? I'm actually really hungry now. Really, really hungry. And you guys know that honey doesn't expire. They found really old honey, but it still tastes the same. It's making sweet. It's wonderful. So I could save honey and be I'm saving this honey for 20 years, and then 20 years from now I could be eating the same honey as I was now. I'm gonna put honey on this, but BTW. That's all stuck in my head. Do you ever just think of a movie, even though you haven't watched it recently, and it's you watched it 3 months ago? Okay, I didn't watch the movie 3 months ago, but a long time ago. Coraline, yeah, that movie. I'm just remembering the part that's dun, 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 dun. Well, the grannies are I don't know, flipping around. Doing stuff. Yo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. I love it. Turn off the oven, never forget to do that, otherwise you're gonna burn the house down. Move the pot. Yeah.
And thumbnail.
Oh yeah, and thumbnail. This is some quality honey. Oh, look at it. Just imagine this 10 years from now. You'd expect something like this to rock, but it doesn't. I don't know how I'm gonna spread this honey, not 5 yet. There's so many things I don't know. And then like, I'm just gonna spread this. I'm gonna try. Cause honey is sticky. Oh my gosh, it actually is melting. I didn't expect it to melt. Guys, please do not come at me for my very limited knowledge of kitchen stuff and food. All I know is I like pizza and I like to eat pizza. That's it. And obviously I have a favorite food. That's like rinse, like pork. But my mom said she's getting us pizza today later on. So then like pizza's like on my mind. Or whatever, I will finish the bowl. You realize that there's like an entire mukbang community on YouTube now? Like there's like literal YouTubers that are just like mukbang. like literally all that there is them eating. I don't understand what I said. Yeah. Crispy. Like they just eat and talk. Like that's the entire YouTube life. Like wow. That's like amazing. And some people do everything. I'm like jack of all trades. Cause I do everything.
But your brand is fun, adventure,
And
and everything in between.
yeah, I'm a jack of all trades. And I like honey on French toast.
Oh, why do I do that? It's too sweet.
Don't try this at home. Even though I am. Honey doesn't taste good on its own. You know what I should have done? I actually wasn't really that sure this was honey. Like, what if it was like a weird mustard? I should have actually tasted this before. Okay, whatever. That's in fact not. Delicious. Okay. I think I should move this back a little bit. Just yeah. Holy, almost fell. Almost fallen. Don't mind this, just the egg cotton. How do I even? Yeah. Done. Can you see my face? Yes, you can. I can see my face, so you can see my face. Okay. So let me try this. I put sugar and aromats instead of what is it? Cinnamon. This is delicious. This looks delicious, I mean. It's delicious, especially with the honey. 10 out of 10 would recommend for breakfast. I mean, if you have time to breakfast in the morning. This is bussin'. 10 out of 10 would recommend doing it with brown sugar instead of cinnamon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.